Jamie Powers with Hypothermia's Shave Ice. Today, we're going to be making ready-to-use syrup utilizing our flavor concentrate. What I have here is reverse osmosis water. You can also use distilled water or filtered water. We really do recommend using either reverse osmosis water, distilled water, or filtered water. It really tastes the best and sucks in that sugar for that ready-to-use syrup. Some people think that you need to heat up the water. You don't. You just want to use reverse osmosis water, filtered water, or distilled water. And here I have 5 pounds of pure cane sugar. I'm going to be using, this is our sample size, it's 4 ounces of our flavor concentrate. This happens to be blue raspberry, which is our most popular flavor. Really, really delicious. Here I have a gallon jug. It has markings on it, and that's very useful for the measuring that we're going to be using. I also have this wonderful slotted spoon. We do sell these. These are perfect for making our ready-to-use syrup. So, step 1, I'm going to take this water and I'm going to fill it up to the half-gallon mark. So there's markings on here, and I'm going to look and I'm going to fill it up to the half-gallon. There we have it. And then I'm going to get the sugar ready, but before I add the sugar, I'm going to take my slotted spoon and I'm going to give it a stir, and I'm going to get that water moving and grooving. And what this does, it really helps that sugar get mixed in. So I'm just going to move that sugar in. I'm going to get that water moving and grooving again. And then I'm going to pour that sugar in. It's a great trick. Highly recommend it. There we are. Stir it up some more. Looking good. Then I'm going to take my flavor concentrate, 4 ounces, and I'm going to pour it right in. Yum. Super excited about this. One of our most popular flavors, blue raspberry. Stirring it up, looking good. So that was a half-gallon of reverse osmosis water. Now I'm making a gallon of ready-to-use syrup. So I'm going to need to add just a little bit more water to top that off. So it's a half-gallon of water to 5 pounds of sugar to 4 ounces of flavor concentrate. See, I had to add just a little bit more water there. And that is what makes 1 gallon of ready-to-use syrup. Next, we have this wonderful quart bottle. Great for pouring. We also sell these. And then I have this funnel. We also sell those. And then I'm going to pour my ready-to-use syrup into my quart bottle. Makes it really easy for serving when we have this quart bottle. And then a speed pour. We sell these as well. They're just wonderful. You just pop that right on and ta-da. We have our ready-to-use syrup in our quart bottle with our speed pourer that we made from a gallon. Well, that's it for today, folks. Thank you so much for joining us. We look forward to serving you fun with our shaved ice.